This is how to play Only Human by the Jonas Brothers on the piano. The first step is to find a cool sound effect on your keyboard. I'll be using this one. It's the closest I have to the original. Next, I'm going to show you what our part will sound like, and then we'll go back and break it down. So here it is. I don't want this night to end. It's closing time, so leave with me again. And so on. Okay, let's break that down a little bit. The first really important thing when playing this song is to keep a relaxed hand shape, with our thumb always guiding us to each of these keys. As you can see, I have 3 notes marked here. The notes that they're playing in this song are D, C, and G. Let's start with just that thumb. So we're going to play the D twice, the C twice, and the G twice. And I want you to move your hand each time and play those notes with your thumb. So it'll be D, D, C, C, G, 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 G again. Now it might take a little while to get it this fast, but that's pretty much full speed for this song. So let's do that once more, a little slower. Ready? And D, C, G, D, C, G. Good. Now feel free to go back and practice that as many times as you need to make sure you have a very relaxed hand and are comfortably moving between those notes. The next step is to add in the other notes of the chord. So to make this song sound a little fuller, while we play our thumb on D, we can play our pinky on A. And while we play our thumb on C, we can play our pinky on G. And while we play our thumb on G, our pinky is on D. Now, you could remember those notes, but the really easy way to remember this is that if you line up your fingers, one finger on each key, then your pinky will fall on the note that you need to play. So I don't recommend using other finger numbers like this or stretching your hand out. Make sure that you can lay your hand flat on the keys, have your fingertips on the keys, and thumb on D and pinky where it falls. If you're finding it uncomfortable to do this hand position, check how far away you are from your piano. If you're sitting too close, it might be really difficult to play finger 1 and 5 this way. So let's go through this really slowly. We're going to play the fingers 5 and 1 together, and we're going to practice moving them to the new keys, just like we did before, moving our thumb around. But this time we'll play our pinky exactly where it falls. So it'll be like this. D, C, I'm up to G, 2, 3, 4, again. Very nice. Now, if that's feeling too tricky for you right now, that's totally okay. Just stick to practicing your thumb for now and keeping the rest of your fingers relaxed and loose on the keys. Make sure to keep them all on the keys so that you're practicing that 5-finger hand position. So that's the best way to start off playing Only Human by the Jonas Brothers. I hope you have fun with this one.